Hey there, Web3 job seeker. The world of decentralized application is exploding, and that means tons of exciting opportunities are opening up. But with everyone jumping on the Web3 bandwagon, how do you stand out and land a job fast? First, understand that Web3 is evolving rapidly. It's not just about crypto anymore. It's about using blockchain technology to revolutionize everything from supply chains to healthcare. So you need to be on top of the latest advancements, like new blockchain protocols and improved scalability solutions. Next, think about the different types of roles available. It's not just developers anymore. You might find jobs in Web3 policy, blockchain analytics, DeFi strategy, NFT curation, or even community management. To get hired fast, you need to show you are a true Web3 expert. That means mastering blockchain technology, learning program languages like Solidity and JavaScript, and understanding cryptography. Don't forget about decentralized infrastructures like IPFS and Swarm. Those are essential for building robust applications. But it's not just about technical skills. Web3 is all about community. So, get involved in online communities, contribute to open source projects, and build your Web3 presence on social media. When you apply for jobs, tailor your resume to each specific role. Highlight your relevant skills and experience, and don't be afraid to showcase your passion for the Web3 space.